Saksha. I am going to say some GK topics. Preamble: We the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, social, and secular democratic republic and to secure to all in citizen justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this constitution. Four Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharva Veda. Thank you.